Hi. In this little tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple Google Cloud function through Google Cloud Platform UI. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Good tutorial. From the left menu on Google Cloud Platform, look for Cloud Functions menu item and click on it. If Cloud Functions API is not enabled, wait for its activation. Now, click on Create Function. Here is the page we will set up our Cloud function. Don't worry, we will look at each fields in next steps. Here is the name of our new function. Type whatever you want. It will be Hello World for our tutorial. Next is maximum memory allocated to our function. Click on drop-down list and select 128 MB. Here, you can choose which action will trigger your function. For our tutorial we will select HTTP. This one is the public URL of our function. It will be used to call it as we selected HTTP trigger previously. Next is option to make our function public or private. By checking this option, the IAMInvoker role will be set to special identifier all users, allowing anyone to call your function. We let it public for now. Now, the more important of your function, the code. You can choose from where function code will be checked out and with which runtime it will run. Use inline editor for this tutorial and Node.js 8 runtime. When clicking on Environments Variables, Networking, you can access to functions advanced options. We will not review them in this tutorial. Click Create and wait for function creation. Our function is now bootstrapping. Once done it will be ready to call. But it's for next tutorial. Hoping this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me through little form below this video. Thanks and see you next time.